guys, it's Charlotte and welcome to today's video, which is going to be a recipe for a do-it-yourself antibacterial, antiviral, 99 kills all virus and bacteria wipe recipe. So basically it's like those Clorox wipes you can get from the store. It basically can imitate and replace any single-use antibacterial wipes, Lysol wipes that you have to buy in the store. So I've actually been making this recipe for over a year now, and I only recently ran out of the liquid in the container because you can reuse it multiple times. I'll show you. But I only recently ran out since with this whole pandemic, we've been needing to use the wipes more often than not. Basically, yeah, I'm going to show you how to make them yourself, and I don't think I've seen any video on YouTube that's made them the same way I do and the paper towel I use. So I hope that this will be informative for you guys, and I think it's going to be a really good option, especially because it's hard to buy these things and you don't want to support the chemical industry and all that toxic stuff with all these additives being put on your hands, on your food, on your groceries. That's what I use them for, especially is on any shopping carts or my groceries before I bring them into my house. I'll show a video actually. I wipe them down all with the Clorox wipes, well, the do-it-yourself Clorox wipes. It's really great because then you don't have to buy them, and then you also don't have to ration them. You can use as many as you need really, and you can just make it again very easily. All in all, this should be a great recipe for you guys, and I really hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think, and yeah, also I have my do-it-yourself hand sanitizer recipe and also my antiviral, antibacterial dish soap recipe. So if you guys want to see those as well after you're done watching this one, you can do that. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy the recipe. So here are the ingredients slash products we're going to be using to make this recipe. Feels weird calling it a recipe because it's not food. Like if I were to drink alcohol, I'd literally die. But for the wipes, this is what we're going to be using, which is an old Clorox wipes container, some isopropyl alcohol. Please use the 99% if you can. It's just better, frankly. Bamboo sheets slash bamboo paper towels because they're reusable and washable, and essential oils, Thieves, peppermint, and lemon. And here is what the Clorox wipes container looks like. This isn't the one I made. And then here is the old one we are going to be using, and we're going to make it look like the actual one. Okay, and now we are going to start the recipe, which is 1 cup of rubbing alcohol. You can use the 70% because maybe that's all that's available right now. And go ahead and pour that into the container. And I also want to let you guys know that you can double this recipe. If you have lots of wipes in there and feel like you need more, you can double the recipe, so 2 cups instead. Okay, now we are putting in the second ingredient, which is dish liquid. And there a little bit fell. 2 tablespoons. Then go ahead and add in your essential oils to the tube, which is Thieves, or you can use thyme, lemon, and peppermint. This was a refill, so it says something that it isn't. And we're going to do 10 drops of Thieves or thyme essential oil, 15 drops of the lemon essential oil, and 10 drops of the peppermint. Because to me, peppermint just makes everything so mentholy and clean. So the alcohol solution is actually done now, and we are moving on to the towels slash the wipes. And today we are using reusable bamboo paper towels. I got these from Winners, but Winners is closed right now. So you can get them on Amazon, link in the description. And you can cut it into thirds or halves. I can't remember, well, I couldn't remember if it was halves or thirds. Honestly, I think it's halves, but I cut it into thirds. So you can see these ones are just a bit thinner, but I like them like this. They roll really well, so it doesn't matter. If you want slimmer ones, do a third. We don't judge. Chubby, thin, either works. And then just roll her up. And yeah, there's gonna be a lot of content right here of me just rolling them, but I don't know why I felt like it was necessary, but it's just kind of aesthetic. This was an old wipe, by the way, one I have washed a million times. And this one's half of it, so you can see that it's a bit thicker. Okay, and now you can put it into your container with your alcohol solution. And yeah, we're so excited. Look how cute it looks. It looks like fancy, like you could buy it in the store, but you made it yourself. And now we are just gonna shake the heck out of this Clorox container. And yes, here I am just using my tongs to pick up one of the towels and grab, squeeze, and undress. Unroll the paper towel, well, the bamboo towel wipe, what is it? And yeah, it's ready for use. This is like low quality. It wasn't focused, but you can see. Hey guys, so for example, I'm going to the mail right now to pick up some packages. And right here, it actually fits perfectly there, I have my wipes, and I'm going to use them to clean the packages before bringing them into the house. Okay, Bijou's having a fit. Bijou! But I got our packages. So I take one of the sheets and I wipe her down. And this just is really great. And then I throw it in the wash and it works super well because you can use it for more than just one. Because it's actually quite Amazon promo. It's quite wet still, as you can see. So it actually works for more than one. And yeah, this is what we do with all our groceries too, when we are coming home with them. But it works really well. It's a really great option. And you can even do your hands if you want, or use hand sanitizer. But yeah, that's it. Hey guys, so I really hope you enjoyed today's recipe video, today's do-it-yourself video. Hope it was really informative. And yeah, let me know what you think if you try it in the comments. And otherwise, I'll see you guys next video. Bye! Stay safe, everyone.